Let's take a look at what employers do to secure their facilities. Workplace security relates to protecting employees from internal and external risks. This often starts with facility security. In simplest terms, instituting a basic facility security program requires 4 steps: analyzing the current level of risk, and then installing mechanical, natural, and organizational security systems. At one university, threat assessment team members meet periodically to review potential threats to university students and employees. Such teams ideally start with an analysis of the facility's current level of risk. Here, start with the obvious. For example, what is the neighborhood like? Is the facility adjacent to rail yards or roads? Does your facility house other businesses or individuals that might bring unsafe activities? Having assessed the potential current level of risk, the employer then turns to assessing and improving natural, mechanical, and organizational security. Natural security means capitalizing on the facility's natural or architectural features to minimize security problems. For example, do too many entrances hamper controlling facility access? Mechanical security is the utilization of security systems such as locks, intrusion alarms, access control systems, and surveillance systems. Here, make sure to train local employees on how to use these security devices. Finally, organizational security means using good management to improve security. For example, it means properly training and motivating security staff and lobby attendants. Ensure that the security staff has written orders that define their duties, especially in situations such as fire, hazardous material spills, medical emergencies, suspicious packages, civil disturbances, and workplace violence. Security is as much an employee selection problem as a mechanical one.